tayo guys para so, yan po different kinds of honey. Red honey or bliss. May ibang honey po. May honey plastic. Then honey. Blanco ya to big. If you want to buy honey, the best honey in town. With product. So yan po. The best honey they have. Yes. After yung manok. Yes po kanilang honey. Dami po palang honey. Dami po palang nagagawa sa... Ito po yung mga traditional po ito po kagawa. Yan po. Mostly po yan, wala po yung ginagawa nyo. Natural. Kaya napakasarap po ng honey dito. Meron din po sa mga different kinds of businesses made by honey. Ayan po, mga pig po yan ng mga honey. What mga business? Ito yung mga almonds, cashews. Nanas po yan na made in caramelized by handmade traditional nuts. Sabi po, nakalagay po sa ano. Ayan po, caramel meno, hirap ito, paradoxya po, Cirrus carpus. Yan po ay traditional caramelized, handmade by the different kinds of nuts. Yan, napakasarap po. Bagong luto. Ito, talagang pre-taste talaga. Ayan, pre-taste ko. Ayan. Dami pala talaga, grabe. This one, ano din po sila? Yes, madali. Hello, yes, us. Silang ilang palagyan nila para po sa this is all of this is traditional. Yan, meron din po silang different kinds of cheese. Nakahalo. Pero ito po ay iba na traditional foods ng Greek. Ayan po. Pero mostly yung pinakaano po niya ay honey. Yeah, I know, but I want okay, okay. You tell because it's on my YouTube channel.
From the ancient gears, which were famous for
Say it now because it's my YouTube channel.
live.
No, I think in life is not video.
I'll make video.
I find in life it's more better.
Live video, you don't buy one bus after.
Thank you so much, it's nice.
I know.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna be turning around. Ayan po, mga different biological products. So guys, this honey festival with different dyan po ito ay solid. Here is yung ano po nila mga how do you call that? Ang sa atin po ay yung different sa bread nila. Traditional bread. Yan. Ginam, pulo lang. Nila. Handy. Yan po ang buti na dumaan pala ako dito. Kita mo. You see something's happened so interesting in here. So guys, ito po ang the best alam kong honey. Ako to create the best honey that I know. It's critical honey. It's complete. This one is from Arcadia. Paragogo. They are the one who is dealer. This is the herbal treasure. There's different kinds of herbals. Where you can buy it here. It's very, very, very useful because lalo po sa mga ito po yung mga different kinds of herbs. Okay. And then, meron doon pong pumerienda if you want homemade pizza. This is the authentic product of the honey. Silicos lotus, very from treated. Very nice. Yeah, they have the best. So it smells black meat. Salamat. Thank you for watching po sa aking little video po na para po sa honey festival to. Honey festival po dito sa atin, please. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and comment also. And don't forget, especially, to hit click the notification bell so you will be updated all my new videos uploaded. Thank you so much. This is MJ Gomez 24 from Athens, Greece. Thank you po guys and God bless. And then walking down again to the downtown of that. Bye bye guys. See you again next video. Bye.